Onomatopoeia in action, making your everyday English pop. Hello, English learners around the globe. Today, we are diving into an exciting aspect of English language learning: onomatopoeia. We'll focus on how we can use onomatopoeia in everyday conversation, making our chats lively, expressive, and engaging. Before we delve into its usage, let's quickly recap what onomatopoeia is. It's a term for words that phonetically mimic, resemble, or suggest the source of the sound that they describe. It's like your language is directly echoing the real-world sounds. For instance, words like buzz, boom, sizzle, or click are examples of onomatopoeic words. Before we see them in action, let's familiarize ourselves with some commonly used onomatopoeic words in English. Some of these might be words you use every day without realizing their onomatopoeic nature. 1. Animal sounds: woof, meow, buzz. 2. Sounds of nature: rustle, splash, thunder. 3. Human-made noises: beep, ring, click, bang. Remember, these words are all about bringing sounds from the real world into your language. Now, let's dive into the main focus of our video: how to use onomatopoeia in everyday conversation. When we talk, we often try to paint a picture or create a mood. Onomatopoeic words can help us add color and depth to these pictures or moods. For instance, instead of saying, "The dog made a noise," you could say, "The dog woofed loudly." Or, instead of, "I dropped my book in the water," try, "My book splashed into the water." It's time for some practice. Remember, the key to mastering any new language concept is repetition and usage. Try to incorporate onomatopoeic words into your daily conversation. Here are some prompts to get you started. 1. Describe the sounds you hear in a bustling city. 2. Narrate a story about a stormy night. 3. Discuss a comic book scene involving a lot of action. And that's a wrap on onomatopoeia in everyday conversation. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about capturing and conveying the richness of the world around us. Onomatopoeic words help us do just that. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find your English conversations becoming more vibrant and engaging. Until next time, happy learning!